Yeah.
Yes.
So you spoke to your mother, and then thereafter, what happened? Were you then released to drive back home, or what happened? To drive back to Pretoria, where you were from.
Bathi-ke ngemuva ukuthi uqeda ukukhuluma noma yini eyenzeka ngabe mhlawumbe badedela noma nahamba laphayana kini nabuya ePitoli futhi uma kwenzakala ini.
Mangiqeda ukukhuluma noma ngakhuluma futhi noma koti ngase ngikhuluma nezingane zasekhaya.
After I spoke with my mother, I then spoke with her daughter-in-law. Then after that, I then spoke with my siblings.
May you explain what do you mean by umakoti?
Cela ukuthi usho ngogcwele ukuthi ngabe uqonde ukuthini ke mokhuluma ngomakoti.
Umakoti uma weyingane zami, umakoti wami wasekhaya.
When I'm saying her daughter-in-law, I'm simply meaning that my wife.
Yeah, I actually was trying to correct that notion that umakoti means a daughter-in-law. In his context, it means I also spoke to my wife.
My wife.
Yes.
Thank you, counsel. He also spoke to his wife.
Yes. And you spoke to your kids, and then what happened?
Bese wakhuluma nomakoti, qeda maqeda ukukhuluma noma wakwakho ke wakhuluma nezingane zakho ngemuva kwalokho kwenzakala ini?
Lo ngakhuluma nezingane zasekhaya hayi ingane zami.
No, point of correction, I did not speak with my kids. I only spoke with my siblings.
Yes, and then?
Nabo ngibatshena lesimo esingehlela ukuthi ngiboshelwe icala engalazi. So amaphoyisa amangwatshela akazi lutho ukufaka senzo. Ebelokho eqhubeke ngishaya.
I also explained to them that I was arrested for something that I don't know. And when the police, they kept on asking me about the death of Senzo Meyiwa, as soon as I informed them that I have no knowledge about the death of Senzo Meyiwa, they kept on assaulting me.
Yes, then eventually what happened? Eventually.
Ngemuva kwalo nkulumo ukuthi ukhuluma nomndeni wakho wonkana yini eyenzekayo?
Emveni walapho sabe sesibuya siza la eGoli.
After that, we then drove back to Gauteng.
Thank you. Now, you mentioned before you could start to tell the court about your home visit, that the purpose for you to go home, or the purpose for the police to take you home, was to go and actually they asked you who did you want to see, and then you wanted to see you said to them you wanted to see your uncle in Joburg, because nobody actually knew where you were, not so.
But imbangi ukuthi amaphoyisa athatha kunikise laphayana ekhaya eDurban noma eKwaZulu-Natal ukuthi amaphoyisa akubuza ukuthi ngabe ufisa ukubona bani noma ngabe kade ufisa ukukhuluma nobani ke bese ngeke wathi kade ufisa ukukhuluma nomalume wakho olana ke eGoli akusinjalo yini?
Kunjalo.
That is so.
Now, were you at any stage offered a phone while you were in this police station to call a relative or somebody that you close to, a friend or whoever that you could have called, just to alert them about your whereabouts?
But ngabe kade sikhona yini sele saba khona ngesikhathi lapha e-police station la owashaya ucingo oshayela mhlawumbe umndeni mhlawumbe umngani ethizeni ubabikele malana ukuthi kade ukuphi lapho?
Cha, sasi isikhathi sefoni akaze beze ngisithola akaze ngize ngifone ngoba nje ekhaya babethumela abantu ukuthi bengicinge police station nasemajele la eGauteng ngoba babengazi ukuthi ngikuphi.
No, I never got an opportunity to make a cell phone call, not to contact my family, and even my family members when they sent other people to go and look for me at the police station here in Gauteng, in different police stations here in Gauteng, and also in different prisons. It is because of they did not know my whereabouts.
Now, police station ase ngapha eGoli hayi ngapha
police station from the Johannesburg side, eastern side, not here in Pretoria.
Thank you. You recall on Monday when we started the request you at least to raise your voice. Do you still remember that?
athi uyakhumbula ke ngomsombuluko umasipala wacela ukuthi uphakamisa iphimbo lakho lokukhuluma.
Yeah.
Yes.
And let us try to do that again.
Yacela
Now-
ukuthi uphinde futhi ukhulumele phezulu.
You are in essence saying that from the 30th of May 2020, which is the date on which you got arrested at Tembisa, to the 6th of June, just before you could be taken home to go and meet your parents, you had not been offered a phone to call whoever that you would have wished to call.
Manje ke uMeyi athi usuthi uqala ngelanga lange-30 ngenyanga kaMeyi ngomnyaka ka-2020 kuze kufinele ngelanga lesithupha ke ngenyanga kaJuni ngomnyaka ka-2020 ukhumthi nge-30 uboshwa eThembisa angithi ngelapho sengelanga lange-6 ke ngaphambi kokuthi uhlangane nomndeni wakini awukaze uthole isikhathi sokuthi uxhumane nanoma kuwubani ubufisa ukuthi uxhumane naye ucingweni.
Akaze ngixhumane namuntu.
I never got an opportunity to make a phone call to anyone.
Thank you. Now, upon your return on the 6th, 2020, from home, where were you taken?
Bathi ngemuva ukuthi ubuyeke emakhaya lekini namaphoyisa ngelanga lange-6 ngenyanga kaJuni ngonyaka ka-2020 bakunikisa kuphi nendawo?
Everally.
They took me to Valeria.
Thank you. Now, is there a date on which you were then booked out from Valeria for purposes of court appearance in respect of that Tembisa case that you spoke about where you met Mr. Macheke, where your attorney was Mr. Macheke?
Bathi khona la amaphoyisa akhetha khona kunikisa ke enkantolo ngaphandle kwale daba lokukhulumile ngalo lokuthi wahlangana nommeli enkantolo umnumzana uMajeke noMajeke.
Emva kokuthola i-remind engayithola ngeyi-1.
Yes.
After the matter was remanded on the 1st,
Yes.
yebo,
Ngaphinde ngabuyela ngeyi-8
I went
ecourt.
back to court on the 8th again.
The 8th of which month?
Nge-8 ezayiphi inyanga?
June
The
2020.
8th of June 2020.
That is 2 days after you had returned from home.
Shuthi ngemuva kwamalanga amabili ke ngemuva sesoqhamuka emakhaya.
Yeah.
Yes.
What happened to the case?
Yini yenzeka ecaleni?
Laphinde lahlehliswa.
The matter was again remanded.
Thank you. Now let us come a bit closer home now. Subsequent to all the investigation that was done in respect of this case, then you were formally charged in this case or for this case. And you then ultimately went to appear at court on the 27th of October 2020, not so?
Athi ke ummeli ngemuva ukuthi konke ke kwenzeka mayelana necala leli ke wagcina kuthweswa ke amacala manje bagcina bekucharge ke bese uqhamuka phambi kwenkantolo ngelanga lange-27 zaka-October ngomnyaka ka-2020 akusinjalo?
Kunjalo.
That is so.
Thank you. Now, you had initially, when we started off this conversation, told to the court that you had appeared alongside accused number 2, Mr. Tanzi, accused number 3, Mr. Mnube, Mr. Mapisa, and Mr. Ntuli on this very same day, not so?
Bathi busotshelile inkantolo ukuthi ngelanga lekuqhamuka noma ngelanga bovela phambi kwenkantolo wavela nomnumzana ke uNtanzi, umnumzana uMncube, umnumzana uMaphisa futhi nomnumzana uNtuli akusinjalo yini?
Kunjalo.
That is correct.
Thank you. Now, the state gave us the record of the proceedings of the 27th of October 2020, which was the first day on which you appeared there at Boksburg Court in respect of this case.
Athi-ke umail khona-ke ulwazi abalutholile qhamuka kumthimba labashushisi mahlangothi lezombuso-ke phecelezi nodaba lwakho luqhamuka phambi kwenkantolo noma mayelana nodaba lwakho luqhamuka phambi kwenkantolo uhamba nabanye-ke abafowethu mayelana necala leli esingalo ilanga lange-27 zaka-October ngomnyaka ka-2020.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. And I would assume that you are aware that the prosecutor in that case was also Advocate Baloyi, who was also the prosecutor in this case, not so.
Athi-ke umele futhi uyathemba ukuthi wena uyazi ukuthi umshushisi wecala lakho ngesikhathi boqala uvela phambi kwenkantolo se-Boksburg kade kumnumzana uBaloyi futhi asewuyena namanje.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. There were preliminaries there. That was the introduction of the case by Advocate Baloyi, who was the prosecutor there. And then the magistrate started to talk to you, not so.
Athi khona-ke kwenzeka umnumzana uBaloyi wabiza-ke icala bese ngemuva kwalokho-ke nomantshi wakhuluma nawe kade ngasinjalo yini?
Kunjalo.
That is so.
Now, at one point, the magistrate started to talk to you. You were also an accused number one in that case, not so.
Bathi umantshi waqala wakhuluma nawe-ke ngesikhathi kakhuluma wena kade kuwumsola wokuqala kusinjalo yini?
Yebo kunjalo.
Yes, that is correct.
I'm going to read an extract from the proceedings of the 27th October 2020, which were held at Boksburg Magistrate Court, which was the date of your first appearance there. And I'm going to read on page 16. I want you to follow me carefully there.
Ecela ulalele futhi ulalelisise kahle bese komsale emuva ngoba khona-ke la azocaphuna khona-ke ekhasini leshumi nesithupha kulokho kade kushicilelwe phansi kwenkantolo yalapha eBoksburg.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, in line number 12,
Athi kumugqa weshumi nambili kumugqa wesi-12
this is what the court says to you. That was basically all of you, all the five of you.
bathi uzosho uzofunda-ke into inkantolo eyayisho kunina nonkana nobahlanu.
Now it says, in order to convince the court, you will have to adduce evidence either by testifying yourself, in an affidavit, or by calling witnesses to testify on your behalf. But there must be formal evidence placed before the court can make a finding that it is in the interest of justice for you to release on bail. We kindly have a court order to have this document to take you to them. Unfortunately, I only have one copy. After having gone through it, then it will have to come back to me because I'm not done with it.
As the court pleases, my lord.
Page 16, page 17. Thanks, my lord. The state is assisting us with only 2 pages. Yeah. Page 17. I was reading on page 16 on the proceedings of 27/10/2020, from line number 12. Thank you.
Thank you, my lord. Khona-ke inkulumo ebhaliwe lana-ke ekade ishicilelwa phansi enkantolo ngelanga beqhamuke phambi noma benivele ngaphambi kwenkantolo ngelanga lange-27 ngenyanga ka-October ngomnyaka ka-2020 wena 40 nabafowethu nobahlanu ikhathi ade nivele laphayana-ke bathi ekuthizeni-ke nikhonenze inkosi enkantolo-ke ikuthembe futhi noma ikholwe kwamele ukuthi nilethe ufakazi benu-ke mhlawumbe nikhulume nina ngokuyikhulumela nithule ufakazi benu noma nithule ufakazi benu ubhaliwe ngaphansi kwesifungo-ke esithi affidavit ngesingisi noma nibize-ke ufakazi benu ekuthizeni beze bethule ufakazi babo mayelana nani ecaleni leli ekuthizeni nanoma nilethe ufakazi lobo-ke ekuthizeni inkosi enkantolo noma inkantolo ikholwe ekuthizeni kuwubulungiswa bezomthetho ekuthizeni kwamele ukuthi inkantolo inidedele ngesicelo sebheli.
Thank you. Then the court says to you, in line number 18, Mr. Sibia, accused one, do you wish to bring a bail application?
Bese bathi inkantolo khona umbuzo eyakubuza wona ngalana bathi mnumzana uSibiya ukumsola uqala ngabe uyafisa yini ukuletha isicelo sakho sebheli ngaphambi kwenkantolo?
And then you are saying to the court, your reply is, Your Worship, before I proceed with the question of bail, I would like to explain to the court when answering here before court.
Bese bathi wena-ke wathi inkosi enkantolo ngaphambi kokuthi ngiqale-ke ngilethe isicelo ngaphambi kokuthi ngiqale-ke ngombuzo noma ngesicelo sebheli ngingathanda ukuyichaza mina lokho kulandelayo ngaphambi kwenkantolo.
Now the court says, I am not going to allow you to hijack the proceedings. There are certain processes that need to be followed. The court has explained to you, firstly, your right with regards to legal representations, and you indicated that you wished or did not even answer. The court now wishes to inquire from you whether you intend to bring a bail application. Do you wish to answer this question?
Bese-ke inkantolo yabuya yakhuluma nawe-ke mfowethu yathi angeke-ke ikuvumele ekuthizeni-ke uyingene emlumeni kulokhu sebhisa kulokhu mathatha sikhuluma mhlawumbe phansi kuhlelo lakho lokuhlala kwenkantolo yathi khona-ke imigomo kwamele ukuthi mhlawumbe noma-ke indlela kwamele ukuthi uyilandele ekuthizeni kwenzeke izinto ngani mhlawumbe isale emuva inkantolo esebenza ngayo uma ngabe sisenza-ke izinto futhi ukuthi inkantolo yakutshela ngamalungelo akho kuqala wezomthetho noma mayelana namalungelo akho wezomthetho mayelana nodaba lwabameli ekuthizeni ungathola-ke abameli mhlawumbe uyikhulumele kepha nawe usho noma uphendule noma unikeze ngencazelo egcwele laphayana-ke bathi manje-ke inkantolo yasho ukuthi yakubuza futhi ngabe usafisa ukuqhubeka yini ekuthizeni ulethe isicelo sebheli isakubuza inkantolo ukuthi ngabe mhlawumbe uyimisele mhlawumbe uyafisa ukuphendula kulo mbuzo kade kubuze wona.
Now your answer to the magistrate's questions was that no, Your Worship, I'll not be applying for bail.
Bathi impendulo yakho bekuwukuthi cha nkosi enkantolo mina ngeke ngisilethe isicelo sami sebheli.
Is this what happened, if you still remember?
Bathi ngabe lokhu yikho okwenzeka uma ngabe usakhumbula?
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. Now, as it is the court, my lord, apparently it's been brought to my attention that the accused are saying the interpreter is talking a little bit low. Maybe if you can raise your voice. Yeah.
As the court pleases, my lord.
Thank you. I know there's a challenge of an aircon here.
My lord, I was just...
Yeah, that is swallowing everybody's voice in the court here.
I was also, my lord, I was about to ask the registrar to kindly ask the people up from the third floor to switch it off.
Yeah. Thank you, madam.
Yeah, I'm told this, the aircon is centralized. If you switch off the aircon in this court, all the courts will not be finished with the aircon service.
Yes, that has been the general knowledge, madam.
Shows that some really they want the aircon to be on.
Yes.
So we must just speak louder.
As the court pleases, my lord.
Thank you, madam. Now, Mr. Sibia, you say to the magistrate, before you proceed with the question of bail, there is something that you wanted to explain to the magistrate, not so?
Bathi-ke mnumzane uSibiya ngaphambi ukuthi uqale kuphendule kumbuzo wesicelo sebheli lokade bekubuze wona-ke khona into obufisa ukuyitshela inkantolo lapha kade akusenjalo yini?
Yebo kunjalo.
Yes, that is so.
Now, had the magistrate accorded you the opportunity to explain that which you wanted to explain,
Bathi ngabe umantshi wakunika isikhathi yini sokuthi umchazele noma umtshele lokhu kade ufisa ukumtshela khona?
Cha akakunikanga.
No.
Angikhetanga phela. What is it that you wanted to tell the magistrate?
Bathi yini kade ufisa ukuyitshela ke umantshi?
I know Advocate Denise's stance is that we may not object when he's reading his witness, but he's referring to Exhibit E1, the record of the proceedings. We are confined to what stands in the record. He cannot travel outside the record to ask something that is not on the record. We submit with the greatest respect, my Lord, that it's proper. If he refers to the record, he must confine himself to what stands in the record.
Uyanqaba ke umshushisi ukuthi ummeli wakho kaqhubeka abuze ke lo mbuzo kade efisa noma kade kubuza wona noma athole ke lencazelo kade yona kufisa nomhlanje isicelo sakho sibufisa ukuthi usitshele kumantshi khona le lenkantolo yasePittsburgh ngesikhathi boqala uvela phambi kwenkantolo la ukuthi khona ke khona ongafisa ukutshela ke umantshi ngaphambi ukuthi umantshi aqhubeke akubuze ukuthi ngabe uyafisa yini ukuthi isicelo sebheli noma yebo noma cha athi ke umshushisi ngoba uma ngabe ummeli ekhuluma ke ngeke ashicilelwa phansi ngelanga lange-27 zaka-October yilokhu khona la kuleli phepha lelo kade kushicilelwe phansi ke kepha angabuzi into engekho la ngaphakathi kwalokhu kade kushicilelwe phansi.
As it please the court, my lord, I am not simply referring to the record, to the expression of the person who has to do with this record. I am not submitting this record before court and saying that the court must take judicial notice of only of this record. I am referring to what is contained in this record in tandem with the person who had everything to do what is contained in this record. And here he is. He says he confirms what is contained in this record. I am not saying that the court must only take judicial notice of only what is contained in this record without an amplification of the person who had to do with what happened to him when he appeared at the magistrate court. The processes are totally different. We've got a witness that is testifying before court who says, I am the one who stood before the magistrate, and this is what happened. It is not only the record that is speaking, but it is also him. I'm not even so sure whether the state has got a response in the regard, but I'll sit down.
But we're not going to rehash our objection. The fact of the matter is that there's Exhibit E1 that
Double
says
E?
is E1.
Yeah.
That serves before court, and the authenticity therefore hasn't been questioned. In fact, it has been admitted, and we are therefore confined to what stands in this record. It's not a question that something was said that is inaudible. In that case, perhaps one could say, let's travel outside the record to supplement what is inaudible. But everything is transcribed here that transpired at the court on the 27th of October 2020. We submit that we are therefore confined, my lord, to the four corners of Exhibit EE
Yes,
in
I
brackets
hear you.
1.
As it is the court, my lord, there's no problem. This case has many lives. Mr. Sibia, is it correct that when you appeared, as it is confirmed by this record, when you appeared before the magistrate, there is information that you wanted to convey to the magistrate, let us work outside this record for a moment.
Ecela ke ummeli ke simise kancane ke ekuzingqiniza kodaba lokho sicela phansi okhona lana kule record leli ke okhona laphathi kwalamakhasi manje ukuthi kuyiqiniso yini ukuthi ngelanga leli kuqhamuka phambi komantshi ngelanga la nge-27 zaka-October ngonyaka 2020 wena nabafowethu kade ikhona into bufisa noma buyimisela ukuthi uyitshele ke umantshi?
Yeah.
Yes.
What is it that you wanted to convey to the magistrate?
Bathi ngabe yini le bufisa noma buyimisele ukuthi uyitshele ke umantshi?
Angifuna ukutshela umantshi ukuthi ngiboshwe ngeyi-date May 2020.
I wanted to inform the magistrate that I got arrested on the 30th of May during the year 2020.
Ngashawa
I was assaulted
amaphoyisa May 2020 May 2020
by the police during the month of May during the year 2020.
aphinde angishaya nangeyi-5 June 2020.
Again, I was also assaulted again on the 5th of May during the year 2020. 5th of June, my apologies, 5th of June during the year 2020.
Engishayela leli cala engangiphambi kwalo kuye lokufaka Senzo Meyiwa amaphoyisa ngangiwatshela ukuthi angazi lutho ngokufaka Senzo Meyiwa kodwa lokho eqhubeka engishaya.
I was assaulted by the police about the death of Senzo, about this matter of Senzo Meyiwa. They kept on asking me as to what is it that I know about the death of Senzo Meyiwa, and I kept on informing them that I don't know anything pertaining to the death of Senzo Meyiwa. However, they kept assaulting me even though I gave them such an answer.
That is the information that I wanted to bring to the court.
But yilo ke ulwazi lolo bufisa ukuthi inkosi enkantolo ilazi.
Yebo ngangifisa ukuthi yazi lokho Nkosi enkantolo.
Yes, I wanted the court to know that, not to note that.
Were you afforded the opportunity by the presiding magistrate then to relate that information over to him?
But ngabe wasithola yini isikhathi sokuthi usho lokho phambi komantshi?
Umantshi akakunikezanga ngisithola.
No, I was not afforded an opportunity to relay that.
Thank you. Then the proceedings went on and then the case was postponed to the 27th of November 2020, not so, for its second appearance, not so.
But icala ke balihlisela la nge-27 zakaNovember ngemuva kwalokho ke ngonyaka 2020 akusenjalo?
Kunjalo.
That is so.
Thank you. Now, on the 27th of November 2020, you also appeared before the very same magistrate, Mr. H. Havenga, who had dealt with your case on the 27th of October 2020. So,
But ngelanga la nge-27 zakaNovember ngonyaka 2020 qhamuka phambi komantshi umnumzana uHavenga kade uvele phambi kwakhe ngesikhathi esindlule kusenjalo?
Yebo kunjalo.
That is so.
thank you. Now, on the 27th of November 2020, this is what transpired on page number 8 of the proceedings.
Manje kumele uzofunda ke into eshicelelwe phansi noma ubhale phansi mayelana nokwenzeka ngelanga la nge-27 zakaNovember ngonyaka ka-2020 lapha kwikhasi lesi-9.
That is now after all the preliminary processes were done, the court came to the following stage, or the following stage arrived where the court had to say the following. Now on page number 8 of the proceedings of the 27th of November 2020, the court says, thank you. The proceedings of 27. I'm sorry. My Lord, I'm requesting Mr. Advocate Sibanda to assist us as he did with the initial proceedings, page 8. Yeah, it's only page 8.
bathi bazofunda ucaphuna okubhaliwe mhlawumbe sicele phansi ke ngelanga la 27 zaka November ngonyaka 2020 lapha kwikhasi les8.
Thank you. Now, page 8, line number 1. From line number 1, this is what the court says. Thank you. We're back on record after the short adjournment. Before we proceed with any applications from the state side, accused number 1, 3, and 4, you are still appearing in person. You will remember that on the previous occasion, the court explained to you that you are entitled to the services of a legal representative. If you cannot afford your own attorney or advocate to represent you in this matter, or if you cannot afford one of your own choice, you can contact the Legal Aid South Africa for assistance. If you qualify, they will supply legal representation free of charge. Have you reconsidered your position in the meantime, Mr. Sibiya? What is your position? Thank you.
Manje ke ummeli bekafunda kusicelule lokho kade kukhulunywa ke inkantolo kunina noma mhlawumbe kuwena ke bathi ngiyabonga bathi sesibuyile futhi lana ke ku eksiceleni icala mhlawumbe icaleni leli ke ngemuva ukuthi iqalisile bathi ukuhlehlisa khumbula khona njathi ngaphambi kokuthi siqhube khona njalo ke nesicelo lesike sesihlangothi lezombuso mhlawumbe ithimba lezombuso ke umsola oqala umsola wesithathu nomsola wesine ngabe nisaqhubeka nisavela njalo nisayimele lana ngaphambi kwenkantolo noma mhlawumbe nisayikhulumela ngaphambi kwenkantolo wathi kukhumbula khona njathi lokhu kwenzeka esikhathini esindlule inkosi enkantolo mhlawumbe inkantolo yanichazela ukuthi ninawo amalungelo ukuthi nibe nabameli abasemthethweni yezwa ke bathi khona njalo uma ngabe ningenayo imali ukuthi nithole okay bathi uma ngabe ningenayo imali ukuthi nithole ke abameli abayimele noma aba-advocate abayimele lecala lenu ke ninako ukuthi lapho ke nithole ke abameli abaqhamuka ngaphansi kwabameli bezombuso ke ngisho ukuthi Legal Aid Board South Africa ke ekuthizeni banisize lecala leli bathi uma ngabe niwela ngaphansi kwalabantu abajoyina ukuthi bamelwe abameli bamahala abameli bezombuso ke labo abameli bezombuso bangangitholela bona ke bese bayanimela lecala leli bese ukuthi mnumzana uSibiya ngabe usamile kwisinqumo sakho lesathu sithathile.
Is that what transpired?
Bathi ngabe yilokho kwenzeka vele ngelanga leli la nge-27 zaka November ngonyaka 2020.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, your response to the magistrate is, Your Worship, we applied for legal aid. However, we need to say something to the court, Your Worship.
Bathi impendulo yakho ke njengomnumzana uqala namhlanje soqala wayikhuluma ukuthi ngosenkantolo sesifakile isicelo kubameli baka Legal Aid nabameli bakahulumeni kepha kunodaba mhlawumbe kunombiko esingathanda ukuthi subikele inkosi yenkantolo.
And this is what the court says. The question is, do you want legal representation or not? Please answer the question.
Bese ke inkantolo yakubuza ukuthi umbuzo bokuthi ngabe uyafuna yini ukuthola ke ummeli ozokumela noma awumfuni. Ngiyacela ukuthi uphendule kulombuzo ngibuza wona.
Now, your final response was, Your Worship, I would like to have a legal representation.
Bese ke impendulo yakho ukuthi inkosi yenkantolo ngiyathanda ukuthi ngibe nommeli.
Is that what happened? What
Bathi
transpired
ngabe
at court?
bathi ngabe yilokho kwenzeka enkantolo.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. Again, similar to what happened on your first appearance at court, there is this thing that you wanted to bring to the court. You also want the court for the first time does not afford you the opportunity to bring it to his attention. On your second appearance on the 27th of November 2020, you also requested the court to address him on something. Maybe just before we proceed, at that time, did you have somebody who was representing you, who was standing up in court and saying, My Lord, Your Worship, I am here appearing on behalf of accused number 1?
Athi ke ummeli lokhu okwenzeka ngelanga lange-27 zakaNovemba ngonyaka 2020 kufana ncamashi nalokhu okwenzeka ngelanga lange-27 zaka-Okthobha ngonyaka 2020 la khona bekukhona into mhlawumbe umbiko bufisa ukuthi ubikele inkosi yenkantolo kepha esikhathini sokuqala ngesikhathi bovela phambi kwenkantolo abakaze bakulekelele isikhathi mhlawumbe bakunikeza isikhathi sokuthi usho lento ade ufisa ukuthi uyitshele inkantolo bese futhi ngokwesibili stili bayakuvimba abakuvumeli ukuthi usho lento obuyifisa ukutshela ke inkantolo manje umbuzo ukuthi ngesikhathi sesibili uqhamuka ngesikhathi sesibili uvela phambi kwenkantolo ngabe kade unayo yini ummeli osemthethweni kade akumele
ngangenayo ummeli.
no I did not have a legal representative.
Thank you. Let us go back to the first date of your appearance. Did you have a legal representative?
Sicela sihlele emuva ke ngesikhathi boqala ukuvela phambi kwenkantolo ngabe bowunayo yini ummeli osemthethweni kade akumele
Ngangenayo ummeli.
no I did not have a legal representative during my first appearance.
So you had no one to convey whatever that you wanted to convey, but for yourself. In other words, whatever that you wanted to convey, you had to do it yourself. So,
Wathi kade ungenaye shite mamagama kade ungenaye umuntu ukuthi akukhulumele phambi kwenkantolo akubike udaba lwakho mhlawumbe umbiko wakade ufisa ukuthi ubikele inkosi yenkantolo ngaphandle ukuthi kade kuwe mathupha obufisa ukuthi uyitshele inkosi yenkantolo wena mathupha.
Yebo, ngangenayo umuntu ongikhulumelayo.
Yes, I did not have anyone representing me on that day.
thank you. Again, on 27 November 2020, where you afforded the opportunity to convey that which you wanted to convey to the magistrate yourself, noting that you had no legal representative.
Manje okwesibili ngelanga lange-27 zakaNovemba ngabe wasithola yini isikhathi mhlawumbe wakunikeza yini ilungelo lokuthi ukhulume lokhu obufisa ukuthi ukutshele inkosi yenkantolo ukhumbule khona njalo ukuthi kade ungenaye ke ummeli osemthethweni
Akakunikanga ithuba lokuthi ngikhulume lokho engangifuna ukukhuluma.
The magistrate did not afford me, the presiding officer did not afford me an opportunity to inform him of what I wanted to inform him about.
Now, again, similar to what happened on the 27th of October 2020, what is it that you wanted to tell the court on the 27th of November 2020?
Manje kokwesibili kombuzo ngabe yini bufisa ukuthi uyijeleke inkosi yenkantolo?
Not going to repeat our objections already on record.
Uyanqaba kumshushisa ukuthi usho lokho athi ngeke aphinde izathu zakhe ngoba bevele bekasekushiyo.
Thank you, madam. I'm not referring to the record now. I'm talking to you. This is within your own personal experience, not so, of what happened on the 27th of November 2020, not so. That is what you personally went through.
Ummeli athi manje akakhulumi ngokushicilelwe phansi kepha ukukhuluma mayelana nesipilweni sakho owahlangabezana naso ke ngesikhathi boqhamuka ngaphambi kwenkantolo ngelanga lange-27 zaka-Okthobha wena mathupha uthi ngabe mhlambi yini eyenzeka
Not so.
akusinjalo yini
Kunjalo.
that is so.
Yes. Let's put the record aside.
Athi cethu sime kancane ngalokho kushicilelwe sikhohlwe nje ngakho kwesikhashana.
That which you wanted to tell the magistrate when you raised up your hand and said, "My lord, can I please address this issue with the court?" And the magistrate says to you, "No, I don't want to hear anything. I've asked you about the bail. Answer me on the bail thing." That which the magistrate was shutting you out, what is it that you wanted to tell him?
Ukhumbule khona nje wathi khona la athumele khona la wathena waphamisa isandla sakho khona wathi khona into obufisa ukuyitshela ke inkantolo kepha ke umanje wakuvimba wathi cha yena akakubuzile ngalokho ke kepha umbuzo wakhe ukuthi ngabe uyafisa yini ukuletha isicelo sakho sebhayili bese wena kwathi khona into obufisa ukuthi uyitshele inkantolo manje umbuzo ukuthi ngabe yini kahle kahle le kade ufisa ukuthi uyitshele inkantolo futhi ngelanga lange-27 zakaNovemba ngomnyaka ka-2020 ngesikhathi esibuvela phambi kwenkantolo okwesibili.
Inkantolo ngangifuna ukuyitshela ukuthi ngangifuna ukuyitshena lokho engangifuna ukuyitshena khona from ngo-October ukuthi mina lamaphoyisa alokhu angibopha ngey'teti alokhu aqhubeka angishaya. So
I wanted to tell the court that I was arrested from the 30th, and ever since I got arrested on the 30th, I have been assaulted by the police.
athi mina ngabulala uSenzo mangiwatshela ukuthi angazi lutho ukufa kukaSenzo alokhu aqhubeka yangishaya.
I wanted to tell the court that the police, they asked me about the death of Senzo Meyiwa, and as soon as I informed them that I don't know anything about the death of Senzo Meyiwa, they then kept on assaulting me.
Nange 5 ayelokhu eqhubeke lokhu ephinde ngishaya futhi.
Even on the 5th, they proceeded in assaulting me.
Umagistrate angifuna ukumtshela ngokushawa kwami kuleli icala engibhekene nalo.
I wanted to tell the court about the assaults that I experienced from the case that I was facing.
Thank you. Then after you were not afforded that opportunity to put across such vital information, then the court processes went on and the case was ultimately remanded, not so, to the fifth, 5 March 2021 for your third appearances, not so.
Athi-ke ngemuva kokuthi wena kungasitholile isikhathi sokuthi usho lokhu kade ufisa ukutshela inkosi yenkantolo nenkantolo, inkantolo yaqhuba nokwenza kumsebenzi wayo-ke ngelanga leliyana-ke, bese ngemuva kwalo icala bahlehisela ilanga lange-5 zakaMarch ngonyaka 2021, akusinjalo?
Kunjalo.
That is so.
Thank you. No, don't worry. We won't say anything about the date of the 5th of March 2021. Don't worry. We're going to something else now.
Luleka-ke ngoba akunalutho esizokhuluma ngelanga lange-5 zakaMarch, kepha khona ke into sothi siyikhuluma.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Now, on the 5th of March 2021, upon your appearance, then the case was transferred to the High Court, the High Court at which we are, for the continuation with the trial of the matter, not so?
Bathi-ke ngelanga lange-5 zakaMarch icala 2021 icaleni bahlehisela ukuthi niqhamuke ngaphambi kwenkosi ephakeme khona la esikhona njengamanje, akusinjalo?
Kunjalo.
That is so.
Thank you. Now, the charges were put to you, and then you pleaded, you offered your plea, and then the state started to need evidence to try and demonstrate your complicity in the commission of the offenses that it alleges against you.
Bathi maqhamuka la ngaphambi kwenkosi yenkantolo ephakeme icala lenu-ke naqhamuka kulona-ke bese basho amacala ade benithwesa ngawo-ke ngemuva kwalokho kwese waphingcazela ukuthi icala yalivuma mhlawumbe walivumi-ke bese ngemuva kwalokho ithimba labashushisi baqhamukisa-ke lokhu kade bethi wena-ke ukhona-ke isandla onaso ekuthizeni icala lenzeke nabanye futhi abasola.
That's all?
Akusinjalo yini?
Kunjalo.
That is so.
Thank you. We've already dealt with the issue relating to the alleged confession that you made, the issue relating to the alleged pointing out that you made.
Athi sesikhulumile-ke ngodaba kule statement esokuvuma-ke icala ushuthi i-confession-ke ngolimi lesingisi lesi abathu wena-ke wasenza, sabe futhi sakhuluma futhi ngodaba lwe-pointing out ushuthi la kade ubajekisa khona noma mhlawumbe bakhombisa khona-ke lezo ndawo bakhombisa zona sesiqedile ngalezo, yakhumbula yini?
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yes.
Now, in a further endeavor by the state to prove your complicity in the commission of the offenses that it preferred against you, they left the testimony of Constable Zungu.
Bathi-ke ithimba noma ihlangothi labashushisi ihlangothi lombuso ekuthizeni baqhamukise ukuthi nawe unaso isandla ekushoneni kukaSenta kuleli cala leli-ke lana esingalo la enkantolo khona ufakazi wabo ebambizi bathi-ke uConstable Zungu.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. In a very detailed, in his very detailed testimony, Constable Zungu was amongst others referred to Exhibit S, which are the download photos that were retrieved from accused number 3's phone. And this was introduced as an exhibit in this case. They compiled a photo album, which was ended in this called as Exhibit S. You still
Athi-ke
remember that?
umeli kulofakazi phakathi kofakazi ufakazi okuZungu khona-ke iy'thombe kade zidownloadiwe mhlawumbe bayithwebula phakathi kocingo noma umakhalekhukhwini kaMsulwa wesithathu futhi kokhona ngaphakathi kwimibukiso ka-S isho Exhibit S. Usakhumbula yini lokho?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, you would recall that amongst others, Constable Zungu said, you were with him at Fort Lauderdale Hostel when there was, I don't know whether to call it a jamboree or a celebration of some nature, but there was an occasion that was happening there. There was drinking there. There was a frying of a meat there. It was just a celebration, you know. He says that is where he then met you, accused number 2, accused number 3, accused number 4, and accused number 5.
Bathi ukhumbule khona njalo ngesikhathi lesi uConstable Zungu kade ethula-ke ufakazi bakhe washo khona njalo ukuthi yena-ke wahlangana nawe eFosloras kwihostele lakhona kade kuwe kumsola wesibili kumsola wesithathu umsola wesine futhi umsola wesihlanu futhi laphayana ngesikhathi kade nihlanganele khona lapha kule ndawo kade nihlanganele kuyona-ke athi wathi kade nijabulisile kade nosake inyama futhi nazo ney'phuzo ey'phuzwayo abogoloko kanje.
Yebo ngiyakhumbula uZungu ngisho kanjalo.
Yes, I remember Zungu saying that.
Thank you. Now, before we go further or in detail with the analysis of Constable Zungu's evidence, I would want us to go through Exhibit S. And having gone through Exhibit S, then we will be clarifying certain aspects.
Ucathi manje kumele ukuthi sidumise kodaba lemibukiso ka-S noma Exhibit S ekhona-ke.
Yes, we've requested Mr. Makana to us. Yeah? Oh, Mr. Makaza, yes, to assist us with the filming of the photos as contained in Exhibit S as we'll be going through them.
Sorry, my lord. The witness is requesting this screening to be moved a little bit backwards so I can be able to see clearly.
Okay? No.
Yeah, nalaba ngithi
He says even his other co-accused should be able to see.
Are you able to see?
Yakhona ukubona manje.
yebo ngiyabona.
Yes,
Thank you.
I am.
Now, this is a photo album of pictures that the state decided to compile in its endeavor to augment what the Constable Zungu could have said about what his experiences were on the 26th of October 2014.
Bathi ke lahlanganiswe ke ithombe zonkana lezikhona ke nalezi Constable Zungu akhuluma ngazo mayelana nezinto ke ezenzeka ngelanga la 26 zaka-October ngomnyaka ka-2014.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Now, and you have told the court when you introduce your testimony about your knowledge of accused number 1, accused number 2. No, number 1 is yourself, Mosine. About
Yeah.
your knowledge of accused number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5.
Bathi ngesikhathi boqala ukuthula ubufakazi bakho busotshelile inkosi enkantolo mhlawumbe inkantolo ngolwazi lakho ke oluquka umsola wesibili, umsola wesithathu, umsola wesine, umsola wesihlanu.
Yeah.
Yes.
And you told to the court that you never knew accused number 3. You saw him for the first time when you appeared with him at court, at Boxburg Court on 27 October 2020. So,
Bathi futhi usotshele inkosi inkantolo ukuthi umsola wesithathu kade ungamazi. Buqala ukumbona futhi buqala ukumazi ngesikhathi lesi buvele phambi kwenkantolo ngelanga la nge-27 ngenyanga ka-October ngomnyaka 2020 akusinjalo?
Yebo kunjalo.
Yes, that is so.
thank you. Now the state, for purposes of this trial, because this is what they deem to be relevant evidence in this trial, they compiled this photo album. Now I'm going to request you, and this is an exercise that the state went through with Constable Zungu, to look through these photos very meticulously and indicate to this court, as each picture is being shown to you, if you're able to identify yourself in any of the pictures that would be shown to you. Do you understand?
Uyacela ke ummeli ukuthi manje ke uthathe isikhathi sakho ubheke iy'thombe lezi futhi ugxinize kuzona uyibheke ngokujulile. Usho ukuthi ngabe wena ke uyakhona ukuyibona phakathi kwey'thombe lezi utshengakala khona mhlawumbe kutshengisile kuzona iy'thombe lezi. Uyakuzwa?
Yeah.
Yes, I do understand.
Now, I'm not so sure. Yes. We will be starting with the very first photo, Mr. Makaza. Very, very, very first photo. Yes.
Kuyabonakala kodwa la.
What do you see there? Can you see yourself in that picture?
Bathi lesithungo sokuqala esivelile ngabe yakhona ukuyibona kusona yini?
Cha.
No.
Thank you.
Sorry, what's the number of the first one?
It's only, it's photo number 3, man. I think there's a number there.
Mr. Baloyi, is that
Oh,
correct?
it's page 3. Yes.
So it means page 3
Yes.
of the album.
Yes.
Okay.
So you say you are unable to identify yourself in the picture, not so?
Bathi wena ukuthi ze awutshenga akukho la ubonakala khona kule sithombe lesi akusinjalo?
Akukho.
Yes, that is so.
Thank you. Let's go to page 4.
Acela sekwi page 4.
What is your comment?
Ngabe yini ongafisa ukuyisho ngale sithombe lesi esitshengala njengamanje?
Asikho sami isithombe lapha.
I am not depicted on that photo.
No, I'm not talking about your photo in that photo. Are you able to identify yourself in that photo now?
Bathi ngabe yakhona ukuyibona kule sithombe lesi?
Cha.
No.
So you're not there in that photo.
Shutha ngamagama ke wena awutshengakali kule sithombe lesi mawuvelile kule sithombe lesi.
Angivelanga.
Thank you.
I am not there on that photo.
Let's go to page number 5.
But we khasi lesi 5
What is your comment?
yini ongafisa ukuyisho?
Angiveli kulesi sithombe.
I am not shown on that picture. No, I am not depicted on that photo.
Thank you. Let's go to photo number 6.
Bathi kwisithombe sesithupha, isithombe sesi-6.
Angiveli lesi sithombe la.
I am not depicted also on this picture.
Thank you. Let's go to photo number 7.
Bathi kwisithombe sesi-7.
Angiveli kulesi sithombe la.
I am not depicted on this picture.
Thank you. Let's go to photo number 8.
Bathi isithombe sesi-8.
Angikho kulesi sithombe la.
I am not there on that picture.
Let's go to photo number 9.
Bathi isithombe sesi-9.
Angikho kulesi sithombe la.
I am not depicted on that photo.
Thank you. You know, Mr. Sbiya, I'm observing something here. Your hands are always at the back. Why is that so?
Athi umeli khona ke into ecaphile ke mnumzana la
You
kuwena
said
ke.
you started to testify on Monday in the box there. Your hands are always at the back. So that's an observation that is striking me. That's the reason why, you know, my conscience says never, but you cannot keep quiet with that observation. Why is that so?
Athi khona ke into
I'm not saying
ecaphile,
take them
umeli.
back. I'm just very curious to know.
Athi nje ikhona into angakhona ukuthi ayiyeke nje kuphela mayelana nezandla zakho futhi solo uqalile uthula ufakazi bakho ke kusukela ngomsombuluko solo ubeke izandla zakho lana ke emuva futhi akusinto engayishaya nje ngondivo la ngayinaki kungani nje kunjalo.
Anginazizathu.
I don't have a reason.
Okay, you know, I thought maybe, but let me move on. On page number 9, do you see yourself there?
Bathi kusithombe sesi-9 ngabe uyazibona yini?
Angikho.
I am not depicted on
Thank you.
photo
I'm
number
not
9.
saying remove them. If you feel comfortable, you can take them back.
Athi akathi zisusi izandla zakho ngemuva kepha uma uzizwa ukhululekile ukuthi zibe semuva ungana uzibuyisele emuva futhi
Do you
izandla zakho.
understand?
Yazwisisa yini?
Yezwa sisi.
Thank you.
Yes, understood.
Page number 10.
Isithombe sesi-10.
Angikho la.
I am not depicted
Thank you.
in photo number 10.
On page number, photo page number 11.
Isithombe sesi-11.
Angikho futhi.
I am not depicted in photo number 11.
Thank you. Page photo number 12.
But isithombe sesi-12.
Angikho futhi.
I am not depicted in photo number 12.
On page number 13.
Isithombe sesi-13.
Angikho futhi.
I am not depicted also in this photo.
On page number 14.
Isithombe sesi-14.
Angikho futhi.
I am not depicted in photo number 14.
On page number 15.
Isithombe sesi-15.
Angikho futhi.
I am not depicted in this photo.
Thank you. On page number 16, what is your comment?
But isithombe sesi-16 yini ongafisa ukuthi uyisho ngaso?
Angikho lapha.
I am not depicted on this photo.
Mr. Swear, it must not be custom for you to say Angiko futhi lapha. You just have to look at the photo and analyze it and be very sincere that you look at it. Do you understand?
Uyacela ke umeli ungasho kuphela ukuthi awukho lapha. Ucela ukuthi ubuke isithombe lesi ngokujulile futhi usibukisise kahle. Usho ukuthi yini oyibonayo kule sithombe noma uyicaphile kule sithombe lesi.
No, I'm not saying you should say what is it that you see, but that just don't have to say Angiko lapha. Angiko lapha. As if it's a song. It's not a song. You'll have to look at a picture, analyze it, and say I am there or I am not there.
Athi akungabike iculo lakho ukuthi hayi cha mina ngikho lapha. Kepha buka isithombe usibuke eqala futhi usibukisise bese uyabuya uyasho ukuthi cha angikho lapha.
Do you understand?
Yazwisisa ke?
Yazwisisa.
Thank you.
Understood.
Do as I request you then to do.
Cha ukuthi wenze njengoba ecela ke umeli.
Right. This is picture number 16.
Isithombe sesi-16 ke lesi.
Yes, picture number 16.
Isithombe sesi-16 yini ubonayo kusona? Noma wena ukhona kusona uma ukho?
Angikho kulesi sithombe.
I am not depicted on this photo.
Thank you. Photo picture number page 17.
Bathi kusithombe sesi-17.
Angikho kulesi sithombe.
I am not depicted on this photo.
picture number photo 18.
Isithombe ses 18.
angikho kulesi sithombe.
I am not depicted on this photo.
That is page 19.
Isithombe ses 19.
angikho kulesi sithombe.
I am not depicted on this photo.
That is page 20.
Angikho.
No, I am not depicted on this photo.
Page 21.
Isithombe ses 21.
Angikho.
No, I am not depicted on photo number 21.
Page 22.
Isithombe ses 22.
Angikho.
No, I am not depicted in photo number 22.
Page number 23.
Isithombe ses 23.
Angikho.
No, I am not depicted.
Page number 24.
Isithombe ses 24.
Look at it and look at
Cela ukuthi uyibheke bese ke ukhulume ngemva kokuthi usibhekile isithombe lesi.
Angikho.
No, I am not there on that photo. I am not shown on this photo.
Thank you. Page number 25.
Isithombe ses 25. Cathi usibheke bese uyasho ukuthi ngabe wena ukhona kusona noma awukho kusona.
Angikho.
No, I am not depicted.
Page number 26.
Isithombe ses 26.
Angikho.
No, I am not depicted.
Page number 27.
Isithombe ses 27.
Angikho.
No, I am not depicted.
Page number 28. I'm not so sure whether the photo can be rotated to give us a proper view of its content. Just a second, our technician is trying to rotate the photo. Okay, but are you able to see that photo?
Ngabe
Yeah,
khona
ngiyasibona.
usibona isithombe lesi mnumzana?
It will not be minded even if you twist your neck or you bend your neck just to have a proper view of that photo in order to establish whether or not you're in that photo as well.
Athi akhluphile mhlawumbe ngathi ukushintshenyana kancane intamo yakho bese ubuka isithombe leso sibukisise kahle ke usho ukuthi mhlawumbe yini oyibona mhlawumbe ngabe wona ukhona kusona mhlawumbe awukho kusona.
Angiyasibona isithombe angikho kuso.
Thank
I
you.
do see the picture and I am not depicted on the photo,
That was photo number 28. Let's go to photo number 29.
but we'll say isithombe ses 29.
What's your comment?
Yini wafisa ukusho kusithombe mayelana nesithombe ses 29?
Angikho kuso.
No, I am not depicted in photo number 29.
Thank you. Let's go to photo number 30.
Athi isithombe ses 30.
What's your comment?
Yini ongafisa ukuyisho ngesithombe lesi?
Angikho kuso.
I am not depicted on this photo.
Go to photo number 31.
But kusithombe ses 31.
Angikho futhi kuso.
No, I am not there in photo number 39.
Angikho futhi.
No, I am also not depicted in photo number 32.
Thank you. Photo number 33.
But kusithombe ses 33.
Angikho futhi kuso.
No, I am not depicted in photo number 33.
Thank you. Photo number 34.
Bathi kwisithombe ses-34,
angikho futhi kuso.
I am also not depicted in photo number 34.
Thank you. Now, photo number 35. It's a compilation of so many faces there, but just with a thorough look if you are unable to identify yourself.
Athi lapha kwisithombe ses-35 khona-ke iy'khangiso zabantu mhlawumbe usuku abantu obuningi futhi obuhlukene wabuhlanganisile. Manje cetha ubuke kahle futhi ubukisise kahle ngokujulile usho ukuthi yabo mhlawumbe wena ukhona lapha kusona noma awukho yini.
Angikho futhi kulesi sithombe.
No, I am not depicted on this set picture.
Yes, Mr. Speaker, as you're saying, I can't. You could let's turn the parameters in Israel. Thank you.
Yes.
Photo number 36.
Isithombe ses-36.
Angikho kulesi sithombe.
No, I am not depicted on this picture.
Thank you. Photo number 37.
Isithombe ses-37.
Angikho kulesi sithombe.
No, I am not depicted on the photo.
Photo number 38.
Isithombe ses-38.
Angikho futhi.
No, I am also not depicted in. I am not depicted in photo number 38.
In photo number 39.
Angikho futhi.
I am also not depicted in photo number 39.
Thank you. Photo number 40.
Isithombe ses-40.
Angikho futhi.
I am not depicted on the photo.
Thank you. Photo number 41.
Isithombe ses-41.
Angikho futhi.
I am not depicted in photo number 41.
Photo number 42.
Isithombe ses-42.
Angikho futhi.
I am not depicted on that picture.
Photo number 43.
Angikho futhi.
I am not depicted in that picture.
Photo number 44.
Isithombe ses-44.
Again, have
Cela
a
ukuthi
very accurate look there.
uyacela ke ummeli futhi ukuthi ubuke isithombe lesi futhi usibukisise kahle.
Hayi cha, angikho.
No, I am not depicted in this photo.
Photo number 45. Yeah?
Isithombe ses-45.
Just a second.
Asinje umzuzwana owodwa noma emibili.
Yes, that was 44. Let's go to photo number 45. It's blank. Okay, no, it's fine. My lord, our technician is informing me that the memory stick that we got that received from the state is blank insofar as photo number 45 is concerned, but nonetheless, I would request that this witness to have a look at this and then just try to identify if it's
Athi-ke ummeli isithombe lesi
I think the court is going to
i-technician iyasho khona njalo ukuthi asitshengakali laphaya.
what is contained in photo number 45.
Ukuthi ubuke kulawo makhasi la ukuthi mhlambe ngabe ukhona yini kwisithombe ses-45 noma awukho, usibuke kahle futhi usibukisise ungajahi ungagijimi.
Hayi angikho.
No, I am not depicted. I am not there.
Thank you. Photo number 46.
Isithombe ses-46.
Yes, that one.
Lezi esivelile njengamanje kulesi khangiso.
Hayi angikho la.
No, I am not depicted on this picture.
Thank you. Photo number 47.
Isithombe ses-47.
I think it is also blank. You can the recourse to the That's photo number 47.
Angikho la.
No, I am not depicted on that picture.
Thank you, ma'am. Mr. Makaza, we're still together. Thank you. That was photo number 47. Photo number 48.
But it was Thomas, that's
Yeah.
48.
No. You go back a bit. The photo just before that one.
That's
That
more
was
or less
photo
that.
number 47. Yes. Photo number 48.
But it was Thomas, 48.
Yes, that one.
This is for
What's
you,
your comment?
Manje.
Cha angikho.
No, I am not depicted in that photo.
Thank you. Photo number 49.
This Thomas is 49.
Angikho.
No, I am not depicted.
Thank you. Hey. Now I've got other photos here. Photo number 91. I don't know where they are coming from, but you can have a look on this one. This is photo number 91. The other one is photo number 175.
But khona ke ezinye izithombe nazo lapha ke nasithombe sisi 91 sisi 75.
And this is 175. You can have a look at these very last two photos.
Ecela ke ummeli ukuthi ubuthi
That is
ithombe
91
lezi.
and 175, just to check if you also appear.
Ecela ummeli ukuthi ubuthi ithombe lezi ezimbili, isithombe saka 91 futhi nesithombe saka 175 ukuthi ngabe ukhona kuzona noma awukho.
Ku number 91 angikho futhi.
I am not depicted in photo number 91.
Ku 175 angikho futhi.
And I am also not depicted in photo number 175.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Makaza, for your assistance. Thank you, Madam. Thank you, Mr. Makaza. Thank you, Mr. Spear. That is just but one piece of information that the state has introduced with a view to try and show certain level of complicity in this matter.
Uyabonga ke ummeli wakho futhi uyasho khona njalo ukuthi lolu ke uhlelo oluqhamuke nethimba labashushisi mhlawumbe ithimba laba lezombuso ekuthizeni bavezwe nako nesandla kulokhu.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Understood?
Now, Constable Zungu went on to tell this court that on the 26th of October 2014, you were part of a gathering that, which gathering took place at Foslores Hostel, I think at Basutwini Hostel. Yes, at Basutu Hostel, not Basutwini, at Basutu Hostel. Do you know anything about this?
Bathi futhi khona ke enye inkulumo eyaqhamuka nomnumzana kuConstable Zungu la yena ke washo khona ukuthi nawe ke kade uwomunye wabo la kade behlanganele khona elaphayana eBasuthu Hostel kwindawo engaphansi kwaseFosloras kwesigodi noma kwelokishi laseFosloras.
Angazange ngize ngibe no Zungu nge-26 October 2014 eBasuthwini Hostel. Angazange ngize ngibe nabo bonke labo achoose nge-26 October 2016. Angazi lutho ngalokho akukhulunywa uZungu.
I was not with Mr. Zungu and my co-accused on the 26th of October during the year 2014. No, my apologies. I was not with Mr. Zungu
Yes,
at the Basuti hostel
yes.
on the date of the 26th of October during the year 2014, and I was not with the accused persons on the 26th of October 2014 at Basuti hostel.
Marat, I noting that, and it's actually been brought to my attention that we broke earlier on because of Mr. Spear's emotional state, then we came back, then we've been proceeding ever since. We only 10 minutes to one o'clock, Marat. I am implored to convey this imploration to the court that we could most probably take an earlier, 10 minutes, an early adjournment before lunchtime, which would be earlier with about 10 minutes, man.
You want us to adjourn?
Yes, man. It's not a want, it's a request, man.
Mr. Oloy?
There's no objection, my lord.
Hello? No objection. Okay, 2 o'clock then.